sometimes you need to joint an edge, but then you don't want to go to the jointer, and then you can just do it on a table saw. All you need is a straight edge here, which will follow the fence of the table saw, and then it has an extra piece of wood at the back end so that you can push the wood safely, and then it will work like this. It should be good enough. So now I have a perfect straight edge, so I can guide me through the fence. So now I'm ready to cut the strips that I wanted. All done.